Exceptional design, enjoy mirror finish, classic look and professional performance. Aluminum encapsulated base heats quickly and spreads heat evenly, eliminating hot spots. Premium cooking, stainless steel cooking surface does not discolor, react with food or alter flavors. Measurement markings for ease of use, drip-free pouring, and flavor lock lid. Exceptional handling, cool grip handles are solid stainless steel riveted handles that stay cool on the stove top and provide a safe solid grip. Clean up, dishwasher safe for an easy clean up. Lifetime warranty, refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA free. The kitchens of France were the inspiration behind the elegant Cuisinart Chef's classic stainless cookware collection, and our 8 Skillet does not disappoint. Featuring induction-ready stainless steel and a pure aluminum encapsulated base for fast and even heating, frying and sautéing is simple. We even included measurement markings for ease of use. Features: induction-ready vertical bar mirror finish. Classic looks professional performance. Vertical bar aluminum encapsulated base heats quickly and spreads heat evenly. Eliminates hot spots. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect small frying pan, ideal for eggs. A wonderful little frying pan. All stainless steel with an aluminium sandwich in the base makes for good heat transfer. If you cook on gas, as I do, keep the flame small and within the double base area. I guess you can tell from my spelling of aluminium that I am in the UK and could not find a similar product over here, which is why I was so pleased to see this on Amazon.com, US. Delivery was very quick, about 5 days. People have said that plain stainless steel isn't non-stick. It is if you condition the pan by heating a small quantity of oil until smoking just starts, allow to cool slowly and then discard the oil. Finally, get the oil to the right temperature before breaking eggs into the pan and they will not stick. Much safer and longer lasting than coated pans where the coating peels off or becomes toxic if overheated.